You gonna smile? Is that what you're saying? Smile, smile. I had some questions for you, Ben. Do you know what's on your shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, a giraffe.
A koala.
A koala.
And this? Mommy, this?
Yeah, that's a koala. You're right.
Elephant.
What is that one?
Tiger.
Tiger. Yeah. How about this one? Can you see it?
Polar bear.
A polar bear. Yeah.
Panda bear.
A panda bear.
This, mommy. This.
What is this one? Can you see it? Oh, sorry. Not trying to pinch you. Just trying to pull the shirt up so you can see it upside down.
No.
That one's a hippo.
Smile.
Smile. Yeah. Good smile. What can you tell me about your baby brother?
Baby bear.
Are you going to have a baby brother?
Baby bear.
Yeah. What about?
Choo-choo-choo.
Yeah, Choo-Choo Train book. Do you know where your baby brother is?
Choo-choo train.
Thomas the Choo-Choo Train. Hey, Benji. Do you like babies? Bless you. Do you like babies, Benjamin? Baby Benjamin? Yeah, you were a baby when you were little. You'll always be my baby. A sleepy baby. A sleepy baby.
Little baby.
A little baby.
Little baby.